Hi there, Mark. Right, let's see what this is all about, shall we? Because I haven't actually tried to schedule one of these. Click the plus. It says that I'm using LinkedIn video meetings. I can select a different provider. That gives me the option between Teams and Zoom. And as you pointed out, Blue Jeans is gone and LinkedIn is there in place. I'll stick with that. And then I can do an instant meeting or schedule it for later. So if I do schedule, yeah, okay. So that's coming up at 3 p.m. and 15 minutes, half an hour, 1.5, 2 or 2.5 hours. That's it. Okay. Call it 15 minutes. Time zone. Okay. That's interesting. Why doesn't it just take my time zone and calculate what it would be for the other person? And I'll leave that as it is. So if I say send on this, now what's happening? There we go. So that is sending you something, which of course we're not going to start right now. Okay, right. So that's one way of doing it. And if I try and do it this way, send instant meeting. Okay, that's literally just join in and hop on, I guess. I wonder what happens if I try and click this now, if that's going to ruin my recording. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, I'm back in another tab. Use your microphone on camera. Okay, so we'll say yes to those things. And wow, okay. So my camera, microphone, speakers, those are all set correctly. How interesting. And I can join a meeting. So let's just try doing that. There's just something that's hidden there. Okay. This video meeting cannot be reported for abuse. If you experience inappropriate behavior, you can block this member from their profile. Wow. Okay. Well, I hadn't even come to mind, but there we go. Let's see what happens if I join. Okay. So I'm in a meeting, but you're not going to click this at the other end. Very, very interesting. I'm going to quit out of that. Okay. I can change my settings. Mic, camera. Let's close that off. And yes, I can close the call. Okay, so I'm out of that now. If I go back to LinkedIn, that's just shown that I've entered the meeting. I see, so I'll probably get a notification when you do the same, not that you're going to do that now. So that's two ways, one to schedule and one to go into a live meeting. There we go. Hope that was helpful.